Hey YouTubers, it's me, Mustard07, coming at you once again through the power of video camera, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save the seeds of winter squash. First, you gotta scoop the seeds out and put them in a colander so that way you can strain them and get all the guts and stuff off of them. So, I'm just gonna put them in. Now, as you can see, I am scraping them and just doing whatever I need to do to get the guts off and try to get the seeds as clean as I can. It can take a while, which is why I sped up the footage. Because, believe me, it's best if you do it carefully. Now, take down some paper towels and make sure to do at least double and sprinkle your seeds onto it and spread them all out so that way they can dry evenly. And try to do better than I did because I didn't exactly get all the guts off, but it'll probably be okay. Leave them to dry overnight, and then you can start putting away. As you can see, I have a bag with all the information, including the name and the generation, the weight, and the year that I got the seeds. It's really important that you keep track of your seeds, that way you can know exactly what they are and any information. So then just start scraping them off the paper towel, and then you can put them in the bag. And once again, this is going to take a really long time, which is why I sped up the footage. Then take all your seeds that you scraped off the paper towels and put them in the bag so that way you can get them ready for storage. Make sure that you store them in a dry place so that way moisture won't get into the bag and make it moldy. And which is another reason why it's very important that you let them dry for at least overnight, maybe longer depending on the humidity of the place you live. Because once again, like if any moisture of any type gets in, it can be a problem. And also make sure that you squeeze some of the air out as well, and be careful and carefully seal the bag to ensure that it is a perfect seal. And there you guys have it. This is how you can store pumpkin seeds. But that's just about does it for this video, so thanks for watching, stay tuned for more videos, and goodbye.